Hey everybody, back for a tutorial on how to quickly shuck corn. So I've got this large bag of corn and I'm just trying to shuck it into there to make it look like that. So how do I do this efficiently and easily? Well, let me show you how, the best way that I've come to do it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take and divide your silk, all right? Just at the top, as best as you can, just divide it in two and pull down against your body, and then it'll separate them. And at the bottom, snap it real quick and it will give it a pretty clean break. So this one did an okay job. Not looking for perfection. Well, actually I am looking for perfection, but I'm getting pretty darn close to it. So take another ear here. Again, I'm going to separate at the top both of those. All right, and then just against my knee, I'm going to pull down. It doesn't have to go all the way down, because once you get it started, then you can do each side independently. Snap the bottom, and then we're good to go. So tried and true way to work through a full bag of corn in hopefully no time flat. So I'm not going to mess with, so this one I've got some bug infestation, some rot, so I'm just going to take some of the husk just to keep my hands dry and not so messy, and just snap that off. So there's methods of people microwaving them for a little bit, but I ain't got time for that. So just separate, pull down, snap the bottom off, inspect the top. We're good to go. Hope this helps you out. Hope it gets it done a little bit faster so that you can spend some time drinking beer and watching TV. So until the next time, I'm out. Thanks for watching.